Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Ford vehicle, guys, pretty much any Ford vehicle with gasoline engine, guys, and you have any of those 6 codes, guys, it could be even 8 codes in the description in the corner of the video, guys. Check it out. They start from P0301 all the way to P0308. We'll explain, guys, what causes that and how to fix it. Now, if you have a 4-cylinder engine, guys, you may see only the codes up to P0304 6-cylinder. The last code that you can see is P0306, and 8-cylinder. You'll be able to see any of those 8 codes. Why? Because each code, guys, actually is the one that tells you that you have a certain misfire on certain cylinder number. And that way, guys, you know for sure, okay, which cylinder is. So we will explain, guys, what can cause that misfire now in today's video. On a 4-cylinder engine, guys, you may have only 4 codes. As I said, 6-cylinder 6, 8-cylinder 8 codes. Now this is, guys, 4-cylinder 2.0 engine, but doesn't matter, guys, even if you have a different one, the procedure will be the same. Now, what the code P0301, let's say, stands for. P0301, guys, stands for misfire on cylinder number 1. Now, okay, you start guessing what's wrong with it, but there is pretty much, guys, usually 3 to 4 possibilities for that. And on 4-cylinder engine, guys, inline 4-cylinder engine, usually you start from the serpentine belt and you count cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have code 301, it will be for this cylinder. If you have code P0302, will be this one. P0304 will be this one. And if you have a 6-cylinder engine, okay, let's say you have P0305, 5 will correspond to cylinder number 5, and so on. Now, let's say, guys, that we have a code P0303, cylinder misfire, guys, and that's detected on cylinder number 3. So we'll have 1, 2, 3. Now, what can cause that? Most of you guys will think it's a spark plug. It is possible, guys, to have a bad spark plug. However, spark plug, guys, it's hard to diagnose, really hard to diagnose. So in order, guys, okay, if you want to check that without buying any parts, will be to actually swap the spark plug from cylinder number 3, the one that's defective, to the other cylinder, and see if the misfire will change from cylinder number 3 to cylinder number 2. Then most likely you need spark plug. Now, I would definitely recommend, guys, every 60,000 miles put new spark plugs or set the gap. We have the video that explains everything about the spark plug gap, what it should be, and all that stuff. So check it out, guys, it's on the channel. Now, spark plug will do that. What else, guys, can do that? Okay, ignition coil. Okay, when ignition coil goes bad, usually it will throw a code such as P0353. The last digit of the code will be corresponding to the cylinder number. And we know that this ignition coil will be bad. But sometimes they fail in a way that they work sometimes they don't. And the computer actually is detecting that the ignition coil is working, and it will not have a code and engine light on, guys, because of the ignition coil. So that's reason number 2. And if you need to buy any ignition coils or spark plugs, check out, guys, we'll have the link where we buy all our parts from. And if you need to get something, check it out. They may have it, they probably will have it for your vehicle. What about reason number 3, guys? Okay, reason number 3, if you have a bad fuel injector, again, the computer will detect that. And this is the engine with direct fuel injection, which the fuel line goes to the fuel rail that's located underneath the intake manifold. And if you have a bad fuel injector on cylinder number 3, usually you may read a code such as P0303. However, now, guys, if the injector is good, it's working, but on the front it's really dirty, it's clogged up, it's plugged up. As a result, it will not spray enough fuel sometimes, and not having enough fuel, guys, the engine will detect a misfire on that engine, could be because of a dirty, clogged up injector, guys. So this is, guys, another reason. And you're just hoping the last one, guys, number 4, will be not enough compression on that cylinder. That could be caused by a leaking valve, it could be caused by bad head gasket, it could be caused by wore out piston rings. So those are, guys, the top reasons why you can develop any of those codes, guys, P0301, P0302, and so forth. So that will work on any Ford vehicle pretty much, guys, with gasoline engine. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.